What's up, guys? Luckside coming to you here with another crypto video on the Luckside Crypto YouTube channel. Now, something I want to talk about today is a big question that many people have, right? Has the crypto market bottomed? Well, I'm here to tell you that I don't know, but there are a lot of things that are pointing to it may have already reached its bottom. So, the CEO of a digital asset fund that's worth $5.1 billion says that the industry stresses peaked actually in quarter two. So, that's actually last quarter, right? So, the CEO of crypto fund Pantera Capital, which I've actually heard of, Dan Moorhead believes the worst of the crypto downturn may be over. Moorhead, whose firm manages assets totaling approximately $5.1 billion, says that the worst of the crypto crash occurred in May and June when the stresses in the system peaked. So, as you may know, there's a lot of stuff going on in the world during this period of time, right? We had the war in Ukraine going on. We had interest rates and inflation just going absolutely crazy, right? So he says I think we're close to an end in the leverage situation, and particularly with DeFi smart contracts, things do get liquidated pretty quickly. Now there are some a bunch of technical indicators that have kind of been pointing to that this may may have been the bottom. Obviously, nobody really knows for sure because, as we know, things in crypto are volatile. They move very, very quickly, right? So even though the market is looking good right now, right? We're up to 23 grand for Bitcoin. Okay. We may end up pulling back a little ways, right? I know a lot of the stuff coming out lately, like the basis point hike and the GDP, even though they were negative, right? They were a little bit better than people had expected. So because of that, the market took it overall well. And like I had mentioned in a few other videos, I thought we might face a little bit of a pullback this weekend. Now, what that's going to look like in the coming months is going to depend on, quite a few things. I know that, there's may possibly be an energy crisis going on in Europe and, other things. There's certain, macroeconomic situations that are still going to be playing out as the year goes on and going into the early part of next year. Now, what I would really like to see, and this may be an unpopular opinion, I would like to see us kind of come back down, retest these levels, and really see where we're at. But the good news is it really seems like a lot of people still have money, but they're just hesitant to spend it, which is fine. There's a lot of uncertainty out there right now. Now, I will tell you what I'm doing, and again, this is not financial advice. During this bear market, I've been accumulating. I mean, I'm just planning for the future. So unless you really think that the crypto market is just going to completely bust and go to zero, right? Well, you'd probably be wise to be accumulating as well, because these are the type of cycles where you have this crazy redistribution of wealth, right? And these are the cycles that end up creating the whales for the next bull run. Now, again, this is not financial advice. This is just what I and others that I know are doing. But it's your money. You can kind of do with it what you want. That's it's your choice to do, right? But the more that you can stay informed, the more that you can have luck on your side, like me. Man, I really like that tagline. Thank you, Aaron G Money, for making that for me. So if you guys haven't already, or if you feel so compelled, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. Got daily videos coming out. I'm sure we'll start doing some lives eventually, anyways, too. But yeah, we'll see you guys soon.